Today, we are unboxing and reviewing the Madison Park 200 thread count printed cotton sheet set. To purchase, use the link and code in the description for a 20% discount. If you are opening them up with a box cutter or knife, just make sure you are careful, so as not to cut into the sheets. We did find there was protective cardboard inside the box, so you should not have a problem, but just be mindful. Some quick highlights, as we open it up and take a look. As mentioned, these are 200 thread count cotton sheets. While 200 thread count may sound relatively low, it actually provides a lightweight balance, soft, yet airy. Perfect for summer. We also notice they are labeled made in green by Oeko Tex, which means the sheets are certified to be free from harmful substances and safe on skin, ideal for anyone with allergies. This particular set is a full-sized set with the grey stripe pattern. We chose this pattern because it provided a subtle, classic design. We felt it was a versatile design that would look great with a variety of decor styles. Pulling everything out, they are neatly folded around some cardboard packaging and feel smooth and neat. We did find a stray thread in the sheets and were worried that some stitching had unraveled, but it ended up just being some extra thread caught in the packaging. As we unfold everything, you'll see that there is a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Since this is the full-size set, it will fit mattresses with a 14-inch pocket depth. If you get the king size, it will fit mattresses with a 17-inch pocket depth. The percale weave in these cotton sheets, although a bit stiff coming out of the box, becomes soft and smooth after the first wash. And they are machine washable. Just wash on cold, and then tumble dry on low. We didn't find that ironing was necessary, they were fairly smooth coming right out of the dryer, but if you want, you can iron on medium. Putting them on the bed, it was nice that the head foot was labeled so you knew how to put it on the bed the first time. And here is how they look on the bed after the first wash. Thanks for watching. We did receive these sheets for free, in exchange for this honest review. We hope you found this video informative.